frame off restored 1972 Blazer. This is a client of ours Blazer. It was restored by another shop probably within the last 2 years. Powder coated frame, completely rebuilt Chevy small block 400. It's got the Holley sniper system on it, ceramic coated headers, exhaust. Everything is new from ground up. It's got a lift in it with 33-inch tires. It's got air conditioning, aftermarket radio, all new gauges, all new carpet, seat covers. Everything is new on this. It had a lot of work done to this truck. We built some custom steps for the side, did some tune-up on it. It's obviously got the chrome roll bar in it. So quite a bit of stuff, but check out all the videos, all the pictures that we have on our website. Really nice 72 K5 Blazer. It's done in a really pretty blue inside and out with obviously the black interior and the cloth gray inserts. So check it out, check out all the pictures, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.